We are closer than ever to cracking the 7 biggest mysteries in human history. And the answers, they're going to change everything you thought you knew about reality. Mystery 1, the dark matter ghost. First, let's talk about the 85% of the universe that's missing. It's called dark matter. We know it's there because without its gravity, galaxies would fly apart like a spilled bag of glitter. But we can't see it, touch it, or find it on the periodic table. For decades, it was a mathematical ghost, but the hunt is heating up. Massive underground experiments like Xenon 1T and the Large Hadron Collider are narrowing the search to 2 primary suspects. Within the next decade, we may finally see the invisible glue that holds the entire universe together. Mystery 2, the alien silence. It's arrogant to think Earth is the only rock with life in a universe of trillions. The problem? We haven't heard a peep. No radio signals, no Martian microbes, no space jellyfish. But the James Webb Space Telescope has changed the game. We aren't just looking for little green men anymore. Some scientists believe we are less than 20 years away from finding the first chemical breath of an alien world. The silence is about to be broken. Mystery 3, the spark of life. We know how evolution works once life starts, but how did that first twitch of life begin on a dead rock? Was it a bolt of lightning hitting a pool of chemical goo, or did it arrive on a comet from deep space? For decades, this was the ultimate black box. Now researchers are zeroing in on hydrothermal vents in volcanic craters where extreme heat and chemistry create the perfect laboratory. Now we're trying to build a cell from scratch. We are on the verge of discovering the exact recipe for existence. Mystery 4, the hard problem of consciousness. This is the one that keeps philosophers awake at night. You are made of meat, mostly water and salt. So how does that meat produce feelings? Why do you experience the color red instead of just processing a wavelength? This is the hard problem. Some scientists argue it's just a feedback loop of circuits, while others think it involves quantum weirdness inside your neurons. With fMRI and EEG technology reaching unprecedented resolution, we are starting to see the neural correlates of the soul. We are finally mapping the bridge between the physical brain and the invisible mind. Mystery 6, the end of aging. For all of human history, aging was fate. Your DNA breaks, proteins misfold, and cellular junk builds up until you fail. But science is starting to treat aging as a disease, not a destiny. We've discovered senolytics, drugs that hunt down and kill zombie cells that cause inflammation and decay. In labs, mice have already had their lifespans extended and their wrinkles erased. Gene reprogramming is the new frontier. If we can reset the biological clock at the cellular level, death might one day become an optional part of the human experience. Mystery 7, brain uploading. If your brain is just code running on wet hardware, can we copy it? Projects like the Human Connectome and the Blue Brain Project are currently mapping the trillions of connections between your neurons. We've already simulated the brains of simple organisms. Moving to humans isn't a question of if, but when. But this brings a terrifying question. If you upload your mind to silicon, is that actually you? Or is it just a creepy digital backup that thinks it's you? We are nearing the moment where the line between biology and digital data disappears forever. Mystery 7, dark energy and the final verdict. Finally, there's dark energy, the mysterious force that is literally ripping the universe apart. It makes up 68% of everything, and it's getting stronger. It is the ultimate anti-gravity. New surveys like the Euclid mission are mapping the expansion of space-time to see if this energy is constant or if it's evolving. This is the mystery that decides how the story ends, whether the universe expands forever into cold darkness or eventually rips itself to pieces.
Subscribe my channel for future videos. Thank you.